good for brain. It's also good for my soul. I inhale it through my holes. Tiny green, tiny green, tiny green, tiny green, tiny green thing. When the fumes go from nose to brain, this headache small, but feels like the end. I start to see a tiny green thing. Pop the glue for me. I need to get fucked up so I can see. Please don't speak, here comes that green frame. I'm hiding out in this place that used to be a house. Holes in walls, broken glass. Tiny green, tiny green, tiny green, tiny green thing. When the fumes go from nose to brain, this headache's big, brain bleeds and swells. I start to see a tiny green thing, a green thing. It shouldn't be scary. So tiny, it's really unnerving. Tiny green, disgusting and hurting. After I crushed with a hammer.